Since 1937, the airfield at McGee-Tyson has consisted of 2 runways and a series of taxiways. The Airport Authority started evaluating our pavement condition for runway 5 left, 23 right, really in the late 2000s, and determined it was really to our best interest in the future to look at the entire airfield, not only that runway, but also the taxiway system. So in doing that, it became more than just a runway reconstruction project. It really became an airfield modernization project.
What we had to do here, the middle of the runway was higher than the 2 ends of the runway. So essentially it's a hill with a hill high in the middle and low at the ends. And what you want is you want to be able to see from runway end to runway end if you're in an aircraft. So one of the things we had to do was lower the center and raise the ends. The ends came up about anywhere from about 8 feet. The midsection dropped about 12 feet.
It's not just pull it up and put back down, we're going to have to move a lot of earth.
We moved enough earth here that we would fill Neyland Stadium.
But also as part of our taxiway modernization, it really allows us to realign some taxiways and make the taxiway system much more efficient.
If you've got a runway where aircraft can land and roll off the runway, that allows a much denser landing pattern. So it's more effective operations-wise, more effective airline-wise. It's all LED. We've gotten out of all the incandescent. That's great for maintenance-wise. That's great for cost-wise. That's great for environmental efficiency of it. We reused all of the old pavement on the previous runway. We crushed it up and used it as backfill.
From a cost standpoint, it was extremely beneficial to this project to be able to crush and recycle every single square foot of concrete that was pulled out of the old runway and taxiway system.
Not only did we reconstruct and put new pavement down, but we've also been fortunate enough to extend the length of that runway to 10,000 feet, which makes it a very significant runway capable of serving larger aircraft, allowing those aircraft to arrive and depart from McGee-Tyson Airport and cover greater distances, allows them to carry more fuel.
It's a longer runway than when we started. It was 9,000 feet and we were able to extend to 10,000 feet, which was a significant accomplishment primarily for the Air National Guard mission.
One of the things that's been a limitation for us here in the past is runway length. Talking air refueling basically being that flying gas station in the sky. To boil it down in very simplistic terms, longer runway means more gas airborne, which means a greater capabilities.
Multiple funding partners, including the FAA, the Tennessee Department of Transportation, the Air National Guard Bureau, and McGee-Tyson Airport Authority funds all went in together to make this project a reality. McGee-Tyson provides service for business and tourism and leisure, and then also a very important role for our national military system.
As the Airport Authority, it is our responsibility to make sure the airport provides a safe, accessible, and affordable air travel experience for our community. This new runway system has prepared the foundation for us to serve the community's aviation needs for the next 50 years and beyond.